Hi everyone, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you how we can prepare this beautiful and delicious lemon cheesecake. It's so easy and no need to bake it in the oven, so we can prepare it easy and quickly and no egg. Okay, so see, look at this beautiful cheesecake piece. It's so delicious and the top part, it's amazing. So let's get started to prepare the recipe. By the way, all the ingredients are listed down in the description box. Here we have 1 pack of digestive biscuits. So I used the food processor to grind it. So here I'm using butter, melted butter. We need to mix the mixture together. And now here I have this tray. You can use a big tray or casserole or Pyrex, whatever you want, but I'm using this small one. It looks so beautiful. So just add the digestive biscuit at the bottom, as you know, for the first part, and using the spoon, press on them and make it level. And then we need to put it in the fridge to set while we're preparing the cream. Okay, just put it like 10 minutes. So here we have 2 sachets of whipped cream. I'm gonna add the milk. We need to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla sucre, and now we're going to mix them using the electric whisk. Okay, here we have the cream is ready. Now add the vanilla. Okay, and you can add some lemon zest. Okay, now we're gonna add the Philadelphia cheese. You can use mascarpone cheese if you want, it's up to you, any cream cheese. Okay, just grated some lemon zest will be so yummy, and mix them all together. And here we go. Okay, so now we're going to add the cream on top of the biscuit. Okay, make it level. Now put them back in the fridge. Okay, so here we have 2 egg whites. Mix them until you have a fluffy mixture. Now add vanilla sucre or 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, now here we have sugar. We have lemon juice and we have lemon zest. Add them all together in this bowl, and under the bowl we have a pot that have boiled water. Okay, just add the butter, and we're going to mix them and keep them like so for about a few minutes until the butter dissolves. Now we're going to add bit by bit the egg white fluff. See, now don't worry if you see this part. Okay, now later it's going to be different. Okay, keep mixing them, but just add them gradually. Here the mixture should look like this, yellow and creamy, no hassles. It looks so yummy, it's like sorbet. Okay, now just add them on top of the cream, and then you have to put it back in the fridge, chill it and serve it, and I'm sure that you will like it. So guys, all the ingredients with the measurements down in the description box. You can follow this video step by step, and I'm sure that you will like this recipe. And I hope you enjoy watching this video. Here we go, just mint or any grain you want on top, and that looks so beautiful and so yummy. The cheesecake is one of my favorite dessert ever, and I love as well the berry cheesecake. It's so yummy, but that one, oh, so delicious, can't tell you. You should try it. Oh my god. So guys, thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.